we visited Puerto Morelos, a port town on the Caribbean coast of Mexico, which maintains some of its fishing village charm, between Cancun and Playa del Carmen, but nothing like its more famous neighbors. Puerto Morelos is a chill beach town, with all low-rise buildings, many beach bars, open-air restaurants, and a world-class reef just offshore for snorkeling and diving. We stayed at an Airbnb condo on the beach, which was reasonably priced, as are most things in Puerto Morelos, and enjoyed the clear blue waters of the Caribbean. Although some days had quite a bit of seaweed. I got up early to watch the sunrise over the Caribbean Sea. The port side of Puerto Morelos is separated from the highway by a large strip of protected mangrove forest. Puerto Morelos Beach recently received the internationally prestigious Blue Flag Award, awarded based on its environmental cleanliness and public access to the beach. The reef offshore is also a protected national park, part of the Mesoamerican Reef, which at over 1,000 kilometers long is the second largest barrier reef in the world after the Great Barrier Reef of Australia. And it extends from the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico through Belize, Guatemala, and Honduras. Due to the consistent offshore breezes, Puerto Morelos is known as a hot spot for kite surfing. Whoa, oh man, that was lucky. That was my Mavic Pro drone, going through a palm tree, flipping over, and then righting itself. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Let's watch that again. Shit! Whoa, oh man, that was lucky. I took the drone down to fly at the center of town right as the sun was setting. At the bottom of your screen, you can see the famous Puerto Morelos lighthouse near the pier on the beach in white with a blue top. It was damaged in the 1967 hurricane, and they've kept it now. It's become the symbol of the town. The new lighthouse is right behind. We had dinner on the square overlooking the lighthouse. Join us as we enjoy Puerto Morelos by day, including the many beach clubs. Click that circle with Bob Shots Travel on the left to subscribe and not miss more from Puerto Morelos, or our travels around the world.